Don't take away my Fakeaway. Yes, it's back today. Fakeaway, takeaway. Yes, I'm doing it on Tuesday, so it'll be Fakeaway Wednesday by the time you see it. Something nice and simple. Let's show you what we're going to do. Right guys, we're going to be doing a chicken Madras Naan wrap. Now I got these from Aldi. I ain't seen them before. They was in their special buys. £1.69 for two. Quite expensive, but they're also massive. Look at the size of them things. They're huge. Ria's is that original recipe. Handmade and cooked in a flame-baked oven. Naan bread. Spicy naans. You get two in there. 495 calories per naan. And quite easy to do. Grill, microwave oven. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do all this in the air fryer. I'm hoping I can get them in my little air fryer. If I can't, they'll have to go in my other one. You can always pop them in the oven or under your own grill in the hob anyway. So it's quite simple. So I got myself some chicken breast, a couple of Madras pots, some natural yoghurt. I got some mint and yoghurt from Iceland, 150, and some sriracha. That's to go on top. I'm just having some lettuce and some tomatoes. So it's quite simple, easy enough to do. First thing you want to do is get your chicken in a bowl. We're going to get it marinated first. Just going to leave it as it is. I'll chop it up if I need to. Once it starts, once I put it in the fridge. And I want a spoonful of natural yoghurt. A spoonful of yoghurt helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down, medicine go down. Now you can make your own, what's it called? You know what I mean? Can't you? But these were £1.40 from Tesco. So it's just easy and convenient, isn't it? That's all they are. So these are Madras one. I do different ones. But I'm going to have it a little bit spicier today. I'm going to get all that in. Where's that spoon? And I want just a drop of oil. I've only got rape seeds. That's all I've got. I forgot to get some from the shop. And we'll get that a mix. And we'll get that marinated in the fridge for as long as you can. Delicious. Now with these pots, they're not as spicy as they say, some Madras, but they're not that spicy really. I mean, I suppose you say you like your spice really, but they're not really spicy. And get this marinated in the fridge then for as long as you can. Overnight's better, I suppose, but you can leave it half an hour and it'll still do the job. Wrap it up, get it in the fridge. Easy. And all they'll take about 10-15 minutes in the air fryer, that's all, so they don't take long. Right guys, that's been about 2 hours now. Oh, just got that heating up, it's just turned to heating up now. And I've just done myself some lettuce and tomatoes just while I've been off camera. So we're going to get the chicken into the air fryer first. Let me set it up properly. And we're going to get the chicken in to the air fryer. Lovely. Sizzle. Oh yes. And we do these for about 10-12 minutes until they're cooked. You might have to do in batches, it depends. Mind you, there's quite a lot here. Quite a lot of chicken here. Yeah, that'll do. I don't want to overpack it. I say 10 or 12 minutes. I'll just check the temperature. Let that do. And in the meantime, these take about a minute, I think it says, didn't it? Grill. I'm going to do them in, they won't fit in there, not a cat in house chance. So I'm going to do them in my other air fryer. If not, you just do them under your grill. Sprinkle with water, cook under a hot grill, 30 seconds on each side. Well, I'll do it on the grill, on the air fryer. So 30 seconds each side, that'll do, but I'll do that towards the end so they're nice and warm. Right, that chicken's got about 5 minutes left. So now we're going to do the naans. Let's have a look at these then. Never seen these before. Very big. I'm going to open that, look. Put it a bit more. Very big, but very thin. Would be nice folded up like that, look, as a wrap, wouldn't it? Hopefully. See what they'll come out like when they're cooked. See if they're puffed, wouldn't it? Sprinkle a bit of water, got a bit of water in a bowl. Just say sprinkle on, it doesn't say how much, so. And it only says the one side. Well, it doesn't say one side, it doesn't say both. In the microwave it says both sides, you can see. But in the grill it just says, it doesn't, the best is just sprinkle with water. In the microwave it says both sides, so I'm just going to do it to one side. Right, I'm just going to check the chicken. Oh yes, look at that. That looks nice, doesn't it? Let's set the temperature, let's get a big one. Get this one here. I want 165 I want it, if I can get it. That's there. That is there. Give it 1 more minute while I get them naan breads in that other air fryer. Right, let's get the meat out. They're not puffing up very much. I'll keep an eye on them. You can only get one in at a time. But I say you can do them in the grill, can't you? I suppose you could do them on your pan if you wanted to, on the hob. That chicken looks nice, doesn't it? Nice and thick and juicy, look at that. Oh yes, is that hot? Right, there's the naan bread. It hasn't puffed up very well. When I've done the one, I've got to get the other one in. They have split at the bottom. That's just deciding what she's having with hers. What sauce she's having. Don't know what that means, sauce either. You know what it means? Mayonnaise. With mayonnaise? Yeah, you having salad? There's some salad on. There's some sweet chilli in there. You want sweet chilli? No, it's okay. I'm not putting some on the pan. Let's get some tomatoes on. Let's get you some chicken on. And you have mayonnaise sprinkled over the top, yeah? Is that hot, is it? That's right, yeah. Is it? Bless you. And there's our nuts, looking nice. They fold up pretty well, look at them. Wrap it up. Oh, I've got two there. I need one for me. Oh yes, look at that beauty. There's our nuts. Put a bit more meat in there, stinky Keith, man. There's loads of meat here. There you go. Oh yes, how's that looking? Beautiful. Giving that hers, what mine's doing. Chaos in the kitchen. Takeaway, takeaway. Always chaos in the takeaway. Check mine. 1 more minute, I think, with that. It says 30 seconds. Taking a bit longer than 30 seconds in the air fryer. Mind you, what have I got it on the broil temperature? I got it on 200 degrees. I should have put it on high, shouldn't I? Oh, that's a bit better. Let me have a look. There we go. Got a bit of the charcoal bit on it, which is what you want. Turn that air fryer off. Making a noise in the background. I'm going to start off with a bit of mint yoghurt at the bottom. Because why not? Because I can. Like that. I'm going to get some lettuce on. Some tomatoes. Oh, get another tomato on there. Lovely. Some chicken. Well, big and chunky these chickens. That other chicken I'll put back in the fridge to marinate. Now I want some sriracha. Looking nice. Probably way too spicy for me. I'll have a bit more lettuce on there. And there's mine. Oh yes. Push that forward a bit. I ain't left enough room. There we go. Now it might be a bit hot bad because it's Madras, but I wanted a spicier one. And there's mine, look. I don't know if you can see it properly in the light. I might have another piece of chicken on there, mightn't I? I'm getting quite stingy with this chicken, ain't I? There we go. Oh yes. Alright, let's have a taste. That's already digging into hers. Right, let me show you again now, to see if you can see a bit better light. I don't know whether you can. Ho 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 ho, yeah. Delicious. What's them naan breads like, Bab?
Quite nice,
Oh, quite nice.
Yeah. They're not too thick.
The whole lot took me, that meat took about 13 minutes. So if you don't marinate it, it's done, innit? Let me give you a closer look. There we go, look. Chicken looks lovely, doesn't it? Look. Got some yoghurt and mint there. It's quite overpowering in that yoghurt and mint, so you just have it to your liking. Is that chicken spicy because it's Madras? No?
No.
Is it alright for you?
Yeah, it's nice.
Right, I'm going to tuck in then. I'm going to have a go. Yes, yes, that's what we want, isn't it? Let's try this naan bread on its own first, see what it's like. They're massive, aren't they?
But they're not thick.
Not thick, are they?
Which is good.
Oh, they're nice. They're not very spicy, but they're nice, aren't they? They're supposed to be spicy. I can taste something on them.
Oh.
You can taste that burny smell, that burny. You know when I do it like at the Indians, and you can taste that burnt bit. That's what they do taste like that. Lovely. They're quite offended.
Oh yeah.
Can you taste it? They're like the burnt when they cook them on the thing. You can taste it, can't you?
Yeah.
Tuck in then.
It's so nice.
No. Is that half of that? No. You're hungry. Bless you. Fakeaway, takeaway. Tuesday, but uploaded Wednesday.
Very nice. It's tasty.
Let's try the chicken. Oh yeah, that chicken's lovely, ain't it? That's really nice. Right, now all together. You can get me gob round it all.
Heaven on the plate.
Finger looking good. Finger looking good. Is that nice?
Yeah. I'm glad I had mayonnaise on mine.
That means sauce on it. It's lovely.
It probably is, but...
Yeah, I mean I could have made milk because I've got a pot of yoghurt there. Just put a bit of mint in it or something, or some coriander or... But I want to do one of them bottles anyway, just to keep for a bit. Because it's handy to have, ain't they? There's a dip and that, you know what I mean? So that's why I bought it. Well, there you go.
I couldn't have had sriracha with sauce on it.
15 minutes. Apart from the marinade. Not even that. 13 minutes. Chicken took about 12 minutes, yeah. Simple, delicious. Fakeaway, takeaway. Yum, yum. Nothing else to say. Gorgeous, try it. So you can do your own seasoning. But I bought them pots, because not everyone's got the seasoning, have they? So I bought them pots to show you how easy it is if you just buy a pot. Instead of going and buy 3 or 4 different seasonings, you just buy one of them. You know what I mean?
Really nice as well.
And just do it to your taste. You haven't got to have a Madras. They do other ones, they do kormas and, you know, do all that stuff. Just say, I am the old food guy. Fakeaway, takeaway. I'm going to eat it now because it's going cold. I'm too busy chatting and I want to eat it. See you later. Bye-bye. Marks out of 10 for this one. Before we go.
20.
20 out of 10. See you later.